Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Oppo A17. Begin by turning off the phone using the power key. Hold down both the power button and volume up simultaneously until fast boot mode activates. Once in fast boot mode, release the keys and use the volume rocker to navigate to the recovery mode option. Press the power button to confirm. In recovery mode, select the option to clear data and then select clear all data. Use the touchscreen to navigate through options. Confirm the action by selecting OK. After the process completes, touch the return key to go back to the previous menu. Finally, select the restart option to reboot the phone. After the phone restarts, it will begin the reset process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device similar to how you did when you first purchased it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.